After a full week in Bulgaria, the boys decided they were going to Israel. And the day began like many others, with a morning run and a workout.
Good giggity morning, giggity. Giggity, giggity, good morning, giggity. We're on our way to Jits again, but there's a chance it might not be on. So, really we're just running to the gym and looking for a window. It's gonna be a good day today. Mountains are looking good this morning. That's for sure. Can we go yet? Let's go! Okay, Jits isn't on sadly, so we're going to a Turkish coffee shop. Hello. Good morning, brother. This is an upgrade for going to Jits, eh, Matt? Turned up this Turkish shop and these gives a free baklava. Wow, come on. Don't get much better than baklava strips, honestly, you need to try it. That is sensational. Wow. I've got all the options down. Wee Turkish tea. I think I might try it without sugar. Check the wee love heart spoon.
That's cute.
I love you.
Bang. It's good. Merci.
Have you been to Göbekli Tepe?
Göbekli Tepe.
Have you been?
Yes.
You have been?
Yes.
It's good?
It's very good.
Yeah.
Göbekli Tepe. Okay.
Oh, mama. Turkish delight.
Next, no problem.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother. Bon appetit. Göbekli Tepe, Cappadocia. This very good Cappadocia.
Yeah.
Derinkuyu?
Derinkuyu.
It's like underground city. Yeah.
Yes.
Derinkuyu.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah,
good.
we would love to go, yeah.
6 meter.
Yeah. Yeraltı.
Yeraltı şehri da, Derinkoyu'da. Yeraltı şehri. It's very good. Hospital, как? Църква, къде?
Yeah, church.
Church.
Yeah.
Church. And restaurant. Always.
Theme.
Da.
Under.
Wow.
Да.
Wow.
Ама, как? Ego 300 years, no 300.
1000?
Da, 1100. Da.
Yeah. And Göbekli Tepe?
Göbekli Tepe.
12,000.
Da, 12,000. Da.
And we also want to go to Egypt, to the pyramids.
Pyramids?
No. Only Bulgaria, Garcia, Turkey.
You've never been to Egypt?
Yes, only that.
Garcia?
Garcia, Greece.
Okay, you've been?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Greece good?
Greece good, yes.
Good baklava?
Sea good. Baklavaki.
Yeah, baklavaki.
No baklava.
Right, we've went to go to Jits and we've came out with chocolate dates to take home, man. That is just classic, isn't it?
Quick ab workout stretch, then some God of War, know what I mean?
Aye.
But there's a correction to be made.
What's the correction?
It's not Sophia. It's
Sofia.
Sophia.
Aye, so go back, do the usual of the usual. And then later on we're flying to Israel.
Where are you going?
We're going to Israel.
No! You
Later.
can't be serious.
We're going to Israel later, Matt. We'll need to,
You can't be serious.
we'll need to have checked in. Are the flights booked? I have checked in.
You checked in?
Yeah, I've checked in, mate. Have we got all the boarding passes on our phones? Nah. Go to Israel.
Sure, make it.
What?
Oh, I because that'll be the first morning we get up to run.
Aye, we're gonna have a work at watching the vlog trip, unreal vibes. Oh man, this setup is immense. We could just copy everything doing this. He's a rugby sevens man. Right, good Nick. Okay, we're checking out the now, but I think it's time to eat some oats. How much chocolate do you put in this? Will we just go for the spin head? Spin.
No, it's not as fun as you think. I did it.
Do you get a chew?
No, I'll get this one.
Aye.
Let's check the food.
That's still very good for like a thumbnail like that.
Why? There's free bread.
Is that?
It's our bread.
Like this.
No, can I get in the front of the thumbnail?
If I were just edit the outfit.
No idea what you said.
It's sound. I'll just edit you out of it.
Out of what?
The thumb dum.
What's a thumb?
The thumb dum fingernail.
Oh, so you want to try the oats? Have a bite. Come on.
Have a spoonful. You think? No.
Yes.
Do you think I can?
No, why you? Why not me?
Sound. Yes. Oh. Right, now my shot. I'm going to try and make it look so casual, just like.
Don't, man, come on.
It's just oats with hardback.
No. But that would be ridiculous if every time we had oats they were the best oats we've ever had.
It would be perfect. One thing's for sure, but I need to do some editing. But we're getting kicked out of this.
And one day you'll edit this right now. But you'll probably be in.
Future me problem.
No, probably
Where do you think you'll be when you're editing this? Guess. I'm talking precisely.
Greece.
In hell.
Hey guys, future Mike here. I'm not in Greece. I'm in Scotland. The land of the Scots. Penrose Steps. Illusion break. In Greece myself.
In Greece, what, on a
In
bed?
Greece myself in a random hostel.
On a bed. Maybe in a cafe with headphones on, a wee coffee in front of you. Maybe a wee gyro.
With my shoes on in a cafe. No, on a bed most likely. Well, looks like today's going to be a day full of PlayStation and editing. Let's turn this boy on. These kind of vibes. Bit of FIFA. Chilling it. Right, let's go, boys.
The stop.
We're on the move again. Cause I'm happy, clap along, and if you feel like a room without a roof. I don't often cut burgers in half. You see the cross sections.
Oh, that's medium rare. Perfect. Burger Robert's going.
Oh. I've not had a burger in a while, man. Anyone do you want to try it? Flow of water. Oh! Throwing a spear right through it. Matthew's decided to buy some coconut. Some cucumber yogurt. It does taste like you would think. It's like cucumber gone rogue with cream in it. It's a bit much, but spanked. Bit of thermal water, you can see a wee bit of, what would you call it, mineral water? Drinkable apparently, according to the Stutron. Tastes like cream soda. Tastes like booze. Tastes like booze.
Let me smell your breath, son. On the night, pal.
Aye, enjoy your night, mate. Enjoy your night, pal. Enjoy your night.
Walk away.
Bye, Sofia. Next stop, Israel.
That's it, turn it, mate. That's it. Oh, this one. Oh, mate.
Got it. That's pretty neat. Wonder what happens if you touch it. What do you think happens if you touch it?
Oh, instant death. Electrocuted, surely.
Will we touch it? I want to see how it pure opens up.
See how you get a certain
Oh,
a train. You
This is us.
pretend you're being sick.
these kind of vibes. Let's do this, man. This is awesome, man. Gee! Let's do this, boys. Aye, long story short, trips, that was by far the most stressful time at an airport I've ever been in. Right. So, future Mike here to explain what happened at the airport. Basically, the way the Israel security works is when you go to check in your bags or to get your boarding pass, before you even get to the desk, they interview you, asking questions like, what do you do for work? Why do you want to go to Israel? How do you know each other? Answered away, went on for an hour. And basically, because we were saying, oh, we've got no real plans, we've not got a return flight, it's a one-way ticket, we don't know, they didn't like it. And they said, no, you're not getting in unless you get a return ticket or another ticket to show that you're going somewhere else. And we're like, what? Well, we need to get in this flight. Bearing in mind that we're literally 20 minutes away from like the check-in's over, because we've been there for like an hour trying to check in. So we go and sit at the side and quickly book a ticket online to Cyprus for, I think it was £12 each. So actually not that bad. So because we could say, oh well, we're going to Cyprus from Israel in 2 weeks, that let them know, okay, right, they're only here for 2 weeks, that's fine, come on. But oh my days, that was stressful. Yeah, to cut a long story short, they needed us to confirm our intentions in Israel for them to be okay with us getting on the flight, which is fair enough. If you ever go to Israel trips, get a return flight or a flight to somewhere else before you just book to Israel, because if we didn't, we wouldn't have got on the flight. So there you go, banging. Finally, man, let's go, boys. Right trip. Finally here, man. And look what I've just found. In-flight entertainment. Long story short, you connect to Wi-Fi, scan a code, and boom, movies for free. Minions, that sounds like a shout. Unreal. How to Train Your Dragon, Back to the Future, Hunters. Oh man, this is amazing. These kind of vibes. Let's see actually if it works. Unreal, mate. I think I'm gonna watch that one. I always wanted to watch it. Can't even see it, but we're about to take off trips. Here we go, boys. I think we're going for it now. We have liftoff. There we go, boys. Next up, Israel. Come on. Tel Aviv, here we go. Thanks plane for the lift. We are in Israel. Look at this. Strips defo more on this bad boy. Whee! Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. 100% that was like the best short flight I've ever been on, but without a doubt.
2 bits of scran.
2 free bits of scran, free water, drink of water, the free movies or TV shows. Mate, that totally just made I just watched the movie the whole time. These folk brought 2 hot sandwiches to me, and I was laughing for the whole flight. It felt as if it lasted about 30 minutes.
Here we go.
We're in mines, let's go. Check the fucking size of the fire extinguisher, man. We're in mines.
Let's go, man.
Finally my dreams came true, it's a double-decker train. I think it's only right if we go upstairs, isn't it? And it's only right that we do the deed to the next level. There's a wee screen up here to tell us where to get off, but it's in Hebrew.
It only goes to one place.
Oh, so it does. Right. We're still no in the hostel bed, so it's not quite the sigh of relief, but this has been by far the most hectic journey so far.
And this is still midway, man.
But I'm enjoying it.
Do it. Enjoy the process.
Smile along the way, bye. These kind of vibes. Tel Aviv. Okay, we're at the bus station thanks to Hal, the guy we just spent the training we were talking to for a good bit. Turns out Israel isn't as bad as folk make it out and it looks brilliant.
And the first guy we spoke to was so sound, gave us a big hug at the end.
Oh, nice
Gave
firm
us his-
handshake when you met him. Like, genuinely nicest guy I've met having just entered the country in my life.
Gave us his number if we need any help.
Yeah, we've got his number now and he said any recommendations or help that we need, give him a call or WhatsApp him. And there's our bus. Took us right to the bus station. Some boy. Bus time. The Queen's eating a burger. It's a bit of a dodgy look picture of the Queen. You're looking at foreign language. And we're off. Straight away I'm thinking colourful GTA vibes. Maybe even a bit of gangster Vegas.
Are you talking to yourself again?
The smell reminds me of Malaga in Spain. Oh, if there's sprinklers out at a local park. Sprinkle, sprinkle.